In today's blog, is Deutsche Bank next to collapse? Deutsche Bank and the broader European banking sector have been growing, with major European bank stocks, including Deutsche Bank, experiencing declines. This comes in the context of Credit Suisse's sale to its domestic rival, which has not fully alleviated investor concerns about potential stress in the banking sector. Despite the market's reaction, Deutsche Bank has posted profits for 10 consecutive quarters, following a significant restructuring effort that began in 2019. Its solvency and liquidity indicators, such as the CET1 ratio, liquidity coverage ratio, and net stable funding ratio, suggest that the bank is currently in a stable position. German Chancellor Olaf Scholz has also expressed confidence in Deutsche Bank, stating that it has reorganized and modernized its business model, becoming a profitable bank. European Central Bank President Christine Lagarde has emphasized the resilience of the euro area banking sector, which she attributes to strong capital and liquidity positions, as well as post-2008 reforms. She has also assured us that the ECB has the tools necessary to provide liquidity to the financial system if needed. Moody's, the credit ratings agency, believes that recent actions taken by financial regulators and governments should help contain the risk of contagion from the issues facing individual lenders. However, they also warn that the current economic uncertainty and fragile investor confidence could lead to longer-lasting repercussions within and beyond the banking sector if policymakers fail to address the turmoil. In conclusion, while there are concerns about Deutsche Bank and the broader European banking sector, recent financial indicators suggest that Deutsche Bank is in a relatively stable position. However, the ongoing uncertainty in the financial markets and the potential for contagion from issues at individual banks warrant close monitoring of the situation. I'm not an expert on banking and finance. I'm simply documenting my journey on the evolution of money in Web 3.0. I'm not a financial advisor. We appreciate that you took the time out of your busy day to watch our content. We upload content frequently. Thanks for your support.